We start with 1 hour charges. I want to give a quick update. All right, as you can see, there is no much changes. The only thing is, as we were expected, the price drop. Okay, and we mentioned as long as this one within is these two lines, so that we consider we are within this correction because the way it's moving is really corrective. Any trade within this one we consider as a short term. And the best thing is if you want to look for trade, let this one drop and break this low. At least we can confirm this is the last wave. All right, then any reversal from there we can look for trade, but it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. As I mentioned, the way is moving is really corrective. Okay, and even the price reverse from here as a corrective, we are not going to look for trade. We want to get the sharp move, and we were expecting, because when we have this kind of the big correction, I mean it's a really corrective, for sure we get the, if there is a reversal it will start with the sharp move. Okay, that's why we mentioned any trade we will take it, and if you see it's not moving we just take out the trade. But right now we don't have any trade, still we can expect this one to drop. That's why I mentioned with the breakout of this low, at least we consider we are as the lowest. I mean, if we at the bottom of the correction, then any reversal from there we can look for trade. Anyway, how about if the price reverse from here, same as usual, sharp move flag, or if we want to have entry, we can have entry above this. We are not going to have entry above here, we are going to have entry above this. Okay, above this top, and still we can expect to be within this correction. But as I mentioned, for me, any trade setup for buy, I will take it from now. Even still we can expect this one turn to a correction for one more drop based on daily. It doesn't matter, but if we get a reversal it will start with a sharp move. When we have this kind of the long correction, all right, anytimes the price can sharply continue. That's why from now we need to start to get the trade setup based on lower time frame. If it is moving, it's good. If not, we just take out the trade. We start to manage it. Because as I mentioned in my last analysis, when the price start, when the move start, mostly we cannot get, I mean, we won't be relevant to catch it. Because what we expect, if we get it, it can be really sharp. All right. Maybe within one or two candle, it can move. Then after that is really late for us to get the trade. And that's why for me, still, I'm looking for this one, looking at this correction. Any trade for the short term, I will take it and I will start to manage it. If I see it's not moving, I will take out the trade. And I think mostly we can expect this one to turn to deeper, similar like as a corrective, give a small correction drop. But with the breakout of this, any reversal with the flag, we will take it. Okay, and right now we don't have any trade setup, but we can have put our entry here in case the price sharply reverse from here. But even if the price, if we want to look for trade, we want it tag, break and continue with tag, which is not moving, we take out the trade. But if the price retest this low, then either we can have an entry above this, or if we get a corrective move here for then drop, we can shift it to here. It depends what we get here. All right, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update I will share. Thanks.